These sound similar, about, almost, nearly, but they are not the same. It costs about $50. This is correct. We almost finished. This is also correct. But listen carefully. It costs almost $50. This sounds wrong in most situations. We are about finished. This also sounds wrong. Here is the difference. About is for numbers, prices, time, distance, about 10 minutes, about 100 people. It means not exact, just close. But almost. It's about results. You did not finish, but you were close. We almost won. I almost forgot. Nearly is very close to almost. We nearly won. The job is nearly done. So here is the key. About is for numbers. Almost and nearly are for actions and results. Same idea, different use. Use the wrong one, and it sounds off.